Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to create playlists on YouTube. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. If you want to create a playlist and you're looking for a random videos right here where you want to add this to your playlist, or if you want to create a playlist, like for example you want to create a music playlist, so you found this a favorite music of yours, so you have to tap this three dots here and you have to look for save to playlist. So if you don't have an existing playlist yet, then all you have to do is to click this create new playlist here, and then feel free to create a name for this. So for example, you can name this as my music. And then for privacy, you can set this to private, unlisted, and public. So everything is up to you. But for me, I have to set this as private. And then after that, click create. Then to see this, what you're going to do is you have to go and tap your profile at the top right corner and then click view channel. And here on the review channel, you will see here playlist. And what you're going to do next is to click playlist and you will see here your playlist that you have created earlier. You can add more by looking for some videos. Same method, tap the three dots and then save this to your playlist. Okay, so that's it. That's how easy it is to simply create playlist on YouTube. You just have to simply look for that video and then tap the three dots and then save it. So if you have found this video helpful, or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below, and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.